Hi Virgos, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. Virgo is my favorite zodiac sign. Why? Because I am a Virgo myself. Alright, let me see. How will be the month of October for the zodiac sign Virgo? Lovely. Let me check. So what do you have in store for the zodiac sign Virgos? All right. I will be removing 6 cards. Perfect. Okay. Great. So health is good. Health is very, very nice. I think in the last month also we spoke about health, that you will be taking care of your health. That's what I remember vividly. So yes, health will be nice. Health will be very, very good. You will find something new in the aspect of health also. You will get a new insight, or maybe a new dietitian, or maybe new way to look at your health, or new way to slim down, or a new way to have a good flowy skin tone, or overall hair, whatever you call health. And I always say that health is not only physical, it's also emotional, right? So it's actually it's combination of many things. Also the combination of societal factors, also the combination of mental factors and finance factors, and but health seems good. And again, as I told you, you'll find something new for the health, to look at your health. All right, wealth. You need to take care of your health. Wealth, sorry. Keep something in reserve because you will need it, and you will also find that someone has backstabbed you. All right. In the matters of money, yes, you would find that in the matters of money, someone might have backstabbed you. Someone has put you in some darkness. It also means that you might have got a lot of negativity from people due to your fame, name, money, status. You need to cleanse yourself for sure. I'll give you a tip by the end of this video, how to cleanse and how to still stay away from this negativity, because this is really important. The Virgos have got it for the wealth also and for the career also somehow. So these are the two aspects which might get a little affected only for the month of October. We are taking small portions now. So September is gone. The way I said, I guess September was similar. Comment and tell me how you felt in the month of September, and was it true for that matter. So here the career also seems taking a little backseat, and also wealth. But I would urge you all to look at this thing in a different way. All right, nothing has gone wrong, nothing has stopped. It's like maybe you have stopped fighting, or maybe you have stopped you've just given up, maybe you're just so drained. And again, the draining is not due to you. Don't blame yourself for that. It is more about the other negative factors affecting on you, other negative factors. Maybe there's a lot of jealousy around, maybe some ill intention, and these things do exist. I know I'm a doctor, and sometimes I've been trolled also for such beliefs of mine, because you're a doctor and you should not say that the ghosts exist, or the deceased ones come and talk. And yeah, sometimes people troll me for that, but what to do when there is a positive energy, there is a negative energy, and both these energies balance each other, right? Only what do we do with only positive energy? I don't understand. When there is a battery, a charger, there's a plus and minus, they balance each other. So that's how a battery works. That's how a circuit completes itself. So negative energy is not always to be looked down upon. And I always say कि मैंने कोई positivity का ठेका नहीं लेके रखा है. I always say this in Hindi that I'm not a brand ambassador of positivity. So I would always say that you be focused and be clear about what you really want and work towards that. You will definitely get it. So, and when you are passionate about what you really want, your kundli, your numbers, everything, they keep that aside. You just work according to what you really felt, what just came to your gut, what came to your mind, and you will definitely get the results. I always say that healing gives you benefits more than anything else. But here, what I'm saying is you've already manifested. You already know what you want. Just like there are hurdles because some other people have put these hurdles, and these are external factors. These are not your own factors. So you need to deal with the external factors in a very different way. Maybe you have to change your perceptions. Maybe you have to change your working style. Maybe you have to change your thought style. So this is how the career and the wealth front will be there. Now relationships are good somehow. Relationships seem good, which was not there in the earlier reading, I remember. Relationships seem very good. You will meet new people, all right? You will meet new people. You will think of different aspects. You might listen to different schools of thoughts, and you will make friends in different areas of life. You might be friends with a lawyer, then a writer, or a performing artist, or a doctor, and you will get different kind of people. You will meet lot of different people, and you will be in the peak of creativity. So I would say that creativity is the key here. So this whole month will be a creative month. It is very good for people who are artists, who are into performing arts, or who are into actual, maybe rangoli or painting or music and compositions and everything. So this is somewhere that you will be able to put your creativity at play. So even if your career is taking a little backseat, be very creative with your career and it will work. That's a tip. So be a little creative with your career and it will definitely work. And then what are the other influences? So this is a new section that I've introduced. What are the other influences that will help you or break you? So here I see that you will get advice. You will get advice and you'll be given that advisory help. This month do lot of spiritual practices that you know. And by spirituality I don't mean religion and tradition. Religion and tradition takes you to spirituality. So if you know any spiritual practices, any traditional practices for that matter, you can start doing it to get to the goal of spirituality. And what is spirituality? Getting back to your own spirit is spirituality. Understanding what your spirit wants is spirituality. So a religion or a tradition makes you do that only, right? So to achieve that goal, you can do traditional or religious practices. And if you know any spiritual modalities, please do that. This is the time that you should be doing tarot readings. You should be checking your runes and you should be checking your auras and everything. So that I told you that there'll be a lot of negativity around your aura. And you need to clear that. And there are many techniques. We use the aura cleanser. Okay, we just spray it around the aura. The aura is always 4 inches away from your body. And this is how I feel after my aura is cleansed. So you need to cleanse with an aura cleanser, or you can take a selenite. I hope I had a selenite here. Not really. Okay, yeah. This is a selenite. If you know this technique of going clockwise, and the selenite will pull away all the negativity. And if you don't know anything of that sort, just tell your mom nazar utarne ke liye. Simple as that. With salt. Salt is also crystal. So you can do that also. Right. And alright. So the tip from tarot here is keep patience. Patience is something that you have to keep here. And do not be in search of anything in a wrong way. Especially here I see you being in search of emotions, in search of love, but in a wrong way. Alright? This is not the time. October, like I'm only talking for 1 month. See guys, whatever I tell you, if anything is also a little minus, just keep in mind that this is only for 1 month. Just small portion, and then November will come. And let's see what November has in store for you. But for now, we are only talking about October. So October, if it is not going to give you any expected love or expected relations, it's okay. What is October going to give you? October is going to give you a lot of creativity. It is going to give you a lot of spiritual advice. It is going to give you a lot of spiritual insights. It is going to give you good health. So this is what you need to encash in the month of October, Virgos. I am a Virgo myself, and I am so happy that I've got these kind of cards. And yes, the tip for negativity, I gave you the tip for aura cleansing. This is a tourmaline. I generally tell everyone to buy all such spiritual products from a healing center, or generally not from exhibitions and all. And if you buy from there, also go to a healer and energize it. Remove all the earlier energies, because all these crystals, they are carried from a truck, or maybe, I don't know, many hands. Lot of energies, and crystals catch energies. They are spiritual beings. So the earlier energy needs to be removed. New energy has to be put, and then when I give it to someone, I have to also connect the crystal to the client or to whomever. I call them healies. Alright. So even if you buy from anywhere, go to a healer and cleanse it and put good energy, and then start wearing and using it. So this is a tourmaline which you can keep with you in your purse, or this is a raw tourmaline actually. A small tourmaline you can keep in your purse, or you can wear a bracelet, tourmaline bracelet.